of the trend. Okay, so the point is you must see there must be a support as well as resistance. Okay, the key level of this is this resistance becomes, okay, here if you find this is a resistance, okay, and this is the support area. That actually I will draw this one correctly. So here whenever I will see the trend, so this it will minor downtrend, then major uptrend, then again in this level it comes, then it will moves up. Okay, that means the point I have a key as one support and one resistance. Okay, so this is the resistance and this is the support level. Okay, support. So I need this key level. So once I have this key level, I will enter the call for the next option. So for the I need this. So the thing is, I will just connect these two. Okay, so I have a support become a resistance. This is a key. Now what I will do is I will draw the level from this to this. Okay, I will connect this to this. Once I find this support, the resistance and the support becomes a support, then I will connect the below of that line. Okay, that is this point as well as this point I will connect. Then I will take a clone and I will keep this in the top direction. So once I get from this top direction, I need two signals, one touch and again two touch here. Then after this, okay, after these many touches, the candle is moving down over here. Okay, the candle is moving, reaching here, and it is moving down to this place. I will take a call from this. Okay, here I will take a call from call for 2. Okay, that is next candle. So sometimes it may be earlierly came here, so I will take call 2 minutes. So the thing is I need this resistance become a support, then only I will consider this trend line will respecting this point. Okay, this particular point, if the trend line is going to respect, I need to know whether the support becomes a resistance is there and these two key levels at the top is there, then I will proceed. So now I will show you these things in the market how. So I am not taking a trade, I will be taking a trade while in the upcoming video. So I am just going to explain how your trend line will be respecting, how you can avoid the losses of using trend line. Okay, so this you can see, this is the resistance become a support, right? This is the resistance become a support. So here I will show you here. Say, I just give an idea here. So this is the previous, okay, this is the previous level. I just drawn. This is the previous level, right? So I will make it as a thick. So previous level. This is a resistance become a support. Now I should connect these two lines. I should connect this lower point to, okay, this lower point to this upper point I should connect. Okay, so once I connected, I just take a clone and I will keep the top of that. Okay, this point I will keep at the top of the above this one. Okay, here which point I got a rejection, that point I have to keep. Let keep over here. You can keep, sometimes you can keep there, you can keep here, right? So here you can see I have only one touch. Suppose when I connected near, I make it a 2 point here. Okay, so if I get a 2 point over here, you can see, um, you can see here this 1 point, right? And again the same point I have a rejection here. So this is not an exact point, so I can say this a level, the next level it will may not be respected. I'm not knowing that, so I will take the exact point where I can find here. So let me show you the exact location where this will respect. Okay, so here I need only one thing, the support become a resistant, then only I can take, or else I will not choose those points. Let me find the area. If that is a thing which is there, then you can surely goes. Okay, here you can see, here you have a support become a resistant. Okay, this level you can see this support. For an example I'm telling. Okay, so this support become not a resistant, right? It is broken level. So we don't have this is a broken level, so we will not consider. We will consider only the support and become a resistant level. Okay, so here this one you can take, right? This one you can take. Listen here, this one, wherever the point comes we can take. So here this is the support become a resistant level, right? So in this I will take, I will connect these 2 points. Okay, this upper point, that two connected to the lower point. Okay, I have just connected these 2 points, this upper point to this. Just I will extend this point. Okay, I just connected these 2 points. Now what I will do is I will just take a clone of this. I will take a clone of this, just place the lower of that. Okay, here you can see when I place the lower, already this is 1, right? And I will get, this is 1 point, right? And I will get the other point over here. I will get the other point over here. Can you see? 1 touch, 2 touch. So that I can confirm when this point again came to this level. Okay, I've just drawn and show you which are the 2 points. See here, this is the top point, right? So this is the next top point. So I have seen this support becomes this resistant. Okay, this is my key level. Then I had taken a clone. Here is my 1 touch, and here I have seen there is a second time it is respected in this level. So I can expect this point, when it comes to touch this, I will enter a put option over here. Okay, so I will enter, once it touch I will enter the next candle time frame. So that is what I mean as 2 minute time. Can you see how it is respected in this? So these are the things you can trade without the losses. Okay, so I will show you the few other examples. So if you don't have a support become resistant, then that trade may be a failure. And also not only that, you have to take opposite clone of that. There must be a 2 touch, then only you are supposed to give us right one. See here, I will tell you here, this is the support become resistant, am I right? So now I will connect these two, these two I will connect. Okay, I have connected these two, right? Wherever you want you can connect, nothing issue in that, you can connect as it is, but both commonly you should connect. Okay, so I have connected. Now I will take a clone of this, right? I will take a clone of this and I will keep the top of this. Can you see, I will show you. So the keeping place is very important. So here you can see 1. Okay, so this point I have connected. Okay, and this is the level, this is a support and this is a become a resistant. This clone I have keep it the which has been act as a support level, that trend there I have kept. So I have find this is 1 touch and this is second touch. So it is very confirm, when candle going to come and touch here, it is going to be a call one. Okay, so I will wait for the momentum to touch, then I will make a call. This is what, how our market gives our with winning one. Okay, so these are the few examples. Now I will show you 2 more things. See, without the losses, if you want to trade, you have to stock on at least 2 to 3 wherever you are strong. Don't jump here and there. If you're jumping here and there, surely the market will not give you a good results. Okay, so for an example, here I will tell you, listen, here is a support become a resistant. Okay, suppose I'm going to connect this one. Which one? These two lines, right? These two lines I should connect these two lines. I'm going to take a clone. Okay, in this clone, what happened? You have to wait. So as we take a clone value, so I will take a clone. Okay, you take a clone, you keep it down. Can you see? Right? So you will touch which will become the resistance level that you should keep, right? So support level here it is, which is becomes a resistance level, that level. So here it is still the market didn't touch, right? If you small, if you light adjust, it may touch now, then you can expect a level over here. Okay, here you can see, suppose if you are adjusting like this body level, now it is touch, then you can see how the market is respected. You can see the level very correctly. See, I have taken this support, this resistance, this is my key. I have drawn one and I have drawn these two levels. Okay, and I have find out this two touches. I got confirm. I know that whenever the candle touches this line, I have go for a put option for 2 minutes. So this is a downtrend. You will go for a put option for 2 minutes when it touch. Got it? So these are the few examples. When after the break also comes, it will respecting these kinds of key you can use. Okay, I will show you one more example over here. So support become a resistance. I'm searching for that. I have, okay, this is a support become resistant. Okay, let me check whether it is support become resistant. Yes, it is support become resistant, maybe or may not be, but okay, let have a join over here. Let join this market over here. So I need to connect these two, right? I have connected these two. I will take a clone of this. What I have to do, I have to keep the top. Can you see this? This is breakout. So I don't have an opportunity actually, but anyway it have respected because the market comes down, so that it gives you opportunity of the trade. So these kind of things you have to avoid. Okay, now let me go. Okay, one more example I will show you, and I will be stopping over here, and I will trade on these things very soon. Okay, so this you have to understand. If you are well known about the trend line, that doesn't matter. You must know these tricks, how we can aware of these things. Okay, let me see. So once you are taken from the down of the trend or the top of the trend, that doesn't matter, but there must be a support become a resistance. That is very important. Then also you have to take a clone of that. That is also important. Okay, that that gives you a good winning ratio to trade. Okay, let's find a good one to trade. Market. Okay, here you can see is a downtrend. Let's check the market is support become the resistance. Yes, it's a support become a resistance. Okay, we will connect two lines. This line to this line we are connected, and we will take a clone, right? We will take a clone for this. Still there is no downside, only one touch is there, second touch is not there, so I don't have an opportunity. Can you see? That's why here is a break off happen. So we don't have an opportunity. Don't go and revenge the market there. Okay, we will find the new thing over here. So everywhere, whenever you will trade, some key level must be there. You must know the key level, or you must follow some rules to trade, until or else you will not be a very good profitable trader. So here you can see, this is a support become a resistance, so resistance become a support, right? I will take uh, just I will connect these two. Okay, I connected these two. I will take a clone of this and I will place at the top. Right. So I will take this clone of this one, high level. Okay, so can you see, one touch, two touch. So the market is respecting here. So I will show you here. See, very easily you can trade. See, I just take this resistance, become the support. Okay, that is my key level. I taken these two key level and I waited. It is one touch and it is second touch. So that is correct. So I will expect a call for 2 minutes from this. How it is going move up. This what a secret of using a trend line. You must know this key level, then you have ever and never will fail for using this trend. The trend is a friend. Whenever you will use these key concept, these two things you should mind, keep it in mind. One is support become the resistant. Okay, this the level of this entry. Okay, I will just note it off for you here. Just I'm telling like this point. Okay, so I'm just pointing this. So this is the one point I had taken, and another point this is taken. I had taken, and I just written here. This is my support level. Okay, and this is my resistance level. Okay, so once support and resistance level is there, I confirm the trend. So this is my trend 1 and 2 point. Okay, here is my entry point. To confirm the entry point, I have to know my secret place of clone value. Okay, so after the breakout, okay, after the breakout, this clone value I should ensure it this way, one touch, two touch. Okay, so this I will give a point as some types of name of this point over here. So that is a point. Okay, I will trip the A point, and this is my B point. Once it is confirmed, I will make an entry in this point for A over here. Okay, I will take entry in this place. Okay, enter entry here for call 2 minute up. Okay, once it touch this line, I will enter. So this for the point